guys, welcome to my channel. It's Liv, and if you're new to my channel, hey, how you doing? What's good? Welcome to the channel. So in today's video, I will be giving you guys a DIY on how I make my body sugar scrubs. Now you guys know I am a lover of all things skincare as well as anything pertaining to self-care. You guys know my saying, self-care is key, use it wisely. Okay, so since fall is literally around the corner, fall is approximately 2 weeks and a couple of days away, and I wanted to do a fall sugar scrub, something pertaining to cinnamon, coffee. Like, when you guys see how I put it together, you'll get the understanding, you'll get the picture. And I love doing body scrubs so much, especially around the fall and winter seasons, where when the cold temperatures get here and our skin tends to dry out, and that's where sugar scrubs come into play. They make your skin more hydrating and brings that hydration back, and it also helps to exfoliate the skin, get rid of all the dead skin cells and all of that. And I also like giving it a kiss, just so you see. But anyway, if you guys are here for this video, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. So turn on your notification bells so you don't want to miss any uploads from me. And just so you guys know, I upload on Tuesdays and now Thursdays, only for this week and next week, and I will explain all of that next week in 2 weeks. And I have something exciting coming up that I just do not want you guys to miss. But anyway, if you guys are interested in this video and how I make my sugar scrubs for the body, then please keep on watching. Alright, you guys, so here are the ingredients that I'm using for my DIY body scrub. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Off with the first ingredient, and everything is equal amounts. So we're going in with half a cup of packed light brown sugar, half a cup of granulated sugar, and I am also going in with half a cup of coffee grounds. Now, I use light brown sugar and granulated sugar because you want to be able to get a really good texture of sugar, because it's going to help exfoliate your skin. It's going to help to get rid of dead skin, and the coffee grounds is going to help get rid of cellulite and stretch marks. So now I am going in with 1 tablespoon of organic ground sugar, cinnamon, and cinnamon is going to help brighten up your skin and it's gonna leave it feeling so good and looking like incredible. And it's also going to help to also get rid of stretch marks and dark marks or anything of that sort. So I am going to mix that in, and you guys see like the texture that it is giving you now. So it is looking pretty good. So now I am going in with a 1/4 cup of unrefined virgin coconut oil. You can use any type of brand that you want, but I prefer this brand, and it's already melted because of course it is hot here in Georgia. So I'm going to pour that in, and what coconut oil does for the skin, it helps your skin to obtain a glowy finish as well as moisturizes the skin. And with fall and winter months coming up, your skin is going to need all the hydration that it needs, especially with the cold temperature leaving your skin super dry. And I have sensitive dry skin around the fall winter months, so this scrub helps out so much. And as you can see, I am applying it to my hand so you guys can actually see the finish. And after you apply the scrub, you want to blot your skin dry, and it's going to leave your skin so moisturized as if you put on lotion after you get out of the shower. So good. We're going to package it up, and I am using my handy spoon and mason jar. You can package it any way that you want, but I am using a mason jar. So I'm using my spoon to place the sugar scrubs in the mason jar, and I'm going to fill it all the way up to the top. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I love giving sugar scrubs out as gifts, especially with Christmas time rolling around. This will make an excellent self-care gift to a friend, a sister, or anyone that has dry skin in the wintertime. This would be definitely a must-have in my book that I think that they will love. So yep, this is it, you guys. This is DIY body scrub. I thank you guys for tuning in to this video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below if you guys would like to see more DIYs for skincare like this. I do want to do a face scrub DIY for you guys, so let me know in the comment section below. But I thank you guys for tuning into this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.